The dreaded what's for dinner. Today, we will struggle with that no more. In the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, day 23, we are going to tackle what's for dinner by getting ahead of it right now. On your control journal, go to your afternoon routine section and write down to start dinner. If you're a full-time homemaker, sometimes in the afternoon we can get a little bit of a lull, and this is the perfect time to start dinner. If you work full-time outside the home, then fear not. You can still ask yourself the day before what's for dinner and make preparations for that when you get home for work tonight. That way you will be ahead of the game every single day. And also for today's challenge, if you are able to, start dinner in the afternoon, but take it a step further by planning out the rest of the week of meals. That way you and your family will know every single day what is for dinner. And when we know what's for dinner, we can go ahead and make the appropriate preparations and be less stressed all throughout the day. I've included a freebie down below for your meal planning. Be sure to get that. And if you want something a little bit more extensive that includes the inventory of the foods you have in your home, as well as a lot more pages for your menu building and your meal planning, you can also get that in the description down below. This one is on sale just for today for only $3. So be sure to get that down below as well if you're interested. And don't forget to keep up with our habits, which include dressing to shoes, making our beds, a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescues, saying kind words to ourselves the whole entire day, slowing down and being intentional, a 15-minute declutter, a 15-minute rest, a cleaning mission, 5 minutes deleting our emails, a load of laundry, picking out our clothes the night before, shining our sinks, getting to bed on time, and today we are adding what's for dinner. Don't forget to comment down when you're done with today's challenge, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 24 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye!